Today's video is about a revolutionary invention that's quite literally at our fingertips. Imagine having an extra thumb, not because you lost one, but as an upgrade to your existing hand. Sounds like something out of a fiction, right? Well, hold on to your seats, because this future is now becoming a reality. Third thumb. Meet the third thumb, a groundbreaking prosthetic device developed by brilliant minds at University College London. But don't let the word prosthetic fool you. This isn't about replacing what's lost. Instead, it's about expanding what's possible for every one of us. This 3D printed marvel attaches to your hand, right next to your pinky, giving you an entirely new digit to play with. Controlling the extra thumb. Now, you might be wondering, how on earth do you control an extra thumb? The answer is both surprising and ingenious. Tiny sensors placed under your toes allow you to manipulate this robotic digit with surprising precision. It's like suddenly you're gripping, pinching, and maneuvering objects in ways you never thought possible. Simplicity and intuition. The beauty of this device lies in its simplicity and intuitiveness. During trials at the Royal Society Summer Science Exhibition, it was tested by nearly 600 participants. A staggering 98% of participants were able to use the third thumb almost immediately. From musicians to carpenters, people from all walks of life found themselves quickly adapting to their new appendage. It's as if our brains are secretly yearning for that extra bit of dexterity, the need for an extra thumb. But let's take a step back and ask the million-dollar question. Why do we need an extra thumb anyway? Haven't we gotten by just fine with our current hand configuration? Well, sure. But since when has humanity ever been satisfied with just fine? The third thumb opens up a world of possibilities that we're only beginning to explore. Applications and potential. Imagine a surgeon with enhanced precision, able to perform the most delicate procedures with even greater accuracy. Picture a musician pushing the boundaries of what's playable, creating sounds and compositions never before possible. Think about the potential for those with limited mobility, suddenly able to perform tasks that were once challenging or impossible. The applications are as limitless as our imagination. Brain adaptation and neural plasticity. What's truly fascinating is how quickly our brains adapt to this new appendage. Studies have shown that after just a few days of use, the brain's representation of the hand begins to change. It's like our gray matter is eagerly embracing this new addition, rewriting its own user manual in real time. This neural plasticity opens up exciting possibilities, not just for the third thumb, but for the future of human-machine interfaces as a whole. Questions and challenges. Of course, as with any groundbreaking technology, the third thumb raises its fair share of questions and challenges. How do we ensure this technology is accessible to everyone, not just a privileged few? What are the long-term effects of augmenting our bodies in this way? And perhaps most importantly, how might this change the very nature of what we consider to be human? These are some big questions, and they're ones we'll need to grapple with as we move forward. But isn't that what progress is all about? Pushing boundaries, challenging assumptions, and reimagining what's possible. For now, the third thumb remains primarily in the realm of research and medical applications. Scientists are exploring its potential to help patients recovering from hand injuries or strokes, providing a bridge to restored functionality. But make no mistake, this is just the beginning. Future outlook. As we look to the future, it's not hard to imagine a world where modular body augmentations become commonplace. Need some extra strength for a big move? Snap on an enhanced grip attachment. Going for a run? How about some spring-loaded fingers for that extra push-off? The possibilities are endless, limited only by our creativity and our willingness to embrace the extraordinary. Closing. So, what do you think about this thumbtastic future? Are you ready to become a six-fingered superhuman? Or does the idea of body augmentation make you want to keep your hands to yourself? Whatever your thoughts, one thing's for certain. The future of human capability is changing, one digit at a time. As we wrap up this glimpse into tomorrow's technology, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and stay tuned for more mind-bending explorations of the technologies shaping our future. Until next time, this is High-Tech 9 signing off, encouraging you to never stop reaching with all your fingers and thumbs for the stars.